In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage your Salon booking system and add your Salon software booking link to your Facebook profile to attract new clients and bookings. So currently we find ourselves on our Salon software dashboard. Here is where we'll find our unique booking link that we can then copy and add to our Facebook page. We're going to go to our Facebook profile and we're looking for the bio section where we're going to click edit or add if you don't have anything there yet. It's important to add a call to action before you write the link so that people know what to expect when they're clicking the respective link. So for example, we can go with something simple like book your next appointment here. Now it's important to test it to make sure it works perfectly. And then as you can see, we're able to click the link. As we do, it opens up the booking flow for our clients. So here they can browse our service menu, look at the pricing, as well as actually book a new appointment through Facebook directly. Now you know how to leverage your TimeTailor Salon booking system to attract new clients and bookings. And if you're new, sign up and get your first client booking today.